In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snipping Tool to record video and audio. To get started, click on the Windows icon or the Start button. Then next is look for Snipping Tool. Now look at the top toolbar and make sure that you switch to the recording button. Or you can also use these shortcut keys. So simply press the window button in your keyboard plus the shift button and R to start recording. This will initiate the recording tool of the snipping tool. Simply drag the area that you would like to capture. So before recording, click on the microphone icon and make sure that your mic is turned on and you have the correct microphone device chosen. To start the recording, click on the start button. And to stop the recording, simply press on the red button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!